Hello Internet, Fast Eddie from Fast Eddie's Keys Express. Today we're going to show you guys how to pin up a lock using a lab pin kit. Our pin kit is a 3000s. I believe 3000s is much more accurate than a 5000s, but that's just my opinion. I use a Passport Wedge by Lab pinning kit. I picked up this particular pinning kit from Doyle Security Products in Minneapolis, Minnesota. So yeah, check them out if you're interested in the pinning kit. I've had this one for a while, so let's get started. Okay, so this is our lock cylinder. And what we do to start out with rekeying the lock, slide the key in, turn the cylinder, put a follower on the back side, and slide it through. Nice and easy. So that's how it looks. And that's the cylinder with the pins in it. So we have to put new pins in it to match a different set of keys. Throw the pins out. As you can see, the chambers are empty. And this is our new key. And the cuts on that key is 33858. So the way we match it up is we go to the chart. This is our lab pin kit that we discussed. And like I said, this is a 3000s. So each white area on this board is for a different brand lock. And the one we're working with today is Schlage. These are the cuts. The second row, and the green pins here are the actual bottom pins that go in to match up the key cuts on the key. The core that we pin up actually works with the cylinder, so the pins will be all lined up when we're done. So as you can see, all the pins that we're going to be using are green in color, and the pin kit comes in different color codes to match the code boards on the back. So since we're doing Schlage, and the first cut is 3-3, we'll look for 3 on here, that's a 210. So we'll put the first 2 pins in. Last 3 cuts are 858. So 8 is a 285, right? Yep, 285. Next cut is a 5, that's a 240. So that's a 240 pin. It goes in the 4th position. Last cut is an 8, and that's a 285. And there, it's all pinned up. So now we follow through with the core and the follower together onto this into the cylinder, and I usually put it in sideways so that the top pins and the springs don't drop into that last 6th hole. And you turn it and you pinch the key out of the cylinder just like that. And now your lock is pinned up. Okay, that's how it's done. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Edward Mann, owner of Fast Eddie's Keys Express Locksmithing in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Have a good day.